this computer. Turn off the mic. It's not the time. Okay, problem set 7. I write my name, you write yours, in case you didn't do it. Then you click here. And oops. Be careful over here, because you must have this .r, which indicates the type of file you have. Kostiaev. Then set 7 in class. And you save it. Then we set working directory session, setting working directory, choose directory, and open. Setting working directory. And we copy paste it in line 4. Oh, shit. Yeah, here it is. Set working directory. Okay, let's see what's next. Rename data, run descriptives. Yeah, import data. And this is, and we are still, okay, where is it? Problem set 7. And again, this is the same data set, right? And since I gave you the what is it? The link, let's do it old-fashioned way. So if somebody like forgot something. Okay, so this date is dated February 21st. So let's see. Oh, not this one. Okay, you see over here we have 19. So we need like a newer version of the data. So what we do here, file, download. And we place it. Copy. Where is it? And we place it in the folder for this class. Okay, importing data. Oops. And let's do it the way you might forgot. Import data set, import from Excel, browse, and we need February 21st version of the data. Open. Let's check its numeric. Oops. H numeric. Years of schooling numeric. Sex numeric. Race numeric. Citizenship numeric. Party numeric. Number of people, numeric. And category of a person. Numeric. Import. And let's copy paste it to our script. But when you copy paste it in the R script, you need to get rid of these plus signs. Yeah, and that it should be fine. Later you can import this version of the data just by running the code. From time to time, don't forget to save your R script. Okay, let's see what we need to do next. Make sure numeric variables are actually numeric. Okay, let's do it. Making sure numeric variables are numeric. Class. I forgot to rename it. This, like you see, name is really long. I don't like it, so renaming data. And I think Andrew had a question how to rename data. You just data set on class, just write the name. This is operator for renaming. Then you start typing it. But guys, we need version of February 21st. Let's try not to do it because we have lots of missing data and it might screw up our stuff. So, and let's run it. Yeah, here it is, yeah. And you can like have a look. Yep, here it is. Okay, let's see H. And this is how I try to make my life simpler. I just copy paste this thing a bunch of times. And then I just replace the name of the variable. Okay, what's next? Years of schooling. Sex. What is it? Race. Party. And we run it. That's nice. It's all numeric, right? Okay, what's next? Run descriptive statistics. And we all know how to do it, right? Actually, can somebody tell me how to run descriptive stats? Yep. Yep. So in line 28, we run descriptive stats. And this is another way to look if your variables are actually numeric. So you can see that case ID has minimum, like median and mean. It's obviously numeric, right? First name character, I color character, age. Again, whenever you see like median and mean, it's numeric. It's obvious, right? So let's see what next. do a histogram on years of schooling, assigning appropriate labels. Okay, let's see. Okay, remember this this file we have, Kostiaev working in RMD. In lines 53 and 54, we have code for histogram. So let's see. Plotting histogram on the histogram on years of schooling. Okay. Years of schooling. Oops. But thing is, so what we do here, we first we change the name of the data set. In this case, it's DC data set on class, and we need years of schooling, right? So years of schooling, and we replace age with years of schooling. And we run it. Here it is. And we export. By the way, can somebody interpret what we have here? Yep. PDF. Can somebody interpret what we have here? Because you need to provide interpretation. Do you understand what you are seeing? Let me move it. Yeah, let's. Can somebody do it? Yeah, Vincent.
There were 50 people in the sample that had 10 to 15 years of school.
Mm-hmm.
A little above 50 to 15 and 20.
Uh-huh.
And around 10, 5 to 10.
Uh-huh.
And then a couple 0 to 5 years, 25 to 30 years, and 20 to 25.
Yep. And export, save as PDF. And again, you see, since we already set working directory, it's already here, right? It's just here. And we say histogram on years of schooling. And we save it. And let's see. Yep, here it is. Histogram on years of schooling in my folder for this class. Yeah. Okay, let's see what's next. Run frequency distribution on race. Create data set for race to do pie chart. Okay, let's see. I don't remember how the hell to do it. So what I am doing, I am going to this file, RMD, Kostiaev working in RMD. And this is the code, right? In lines 61 to 95. We copy it. Okay. Running frequency distribution on race. Race. Oops. So let's do a little bit of editing. We need to replace name of the data set, right? And name of the variable, race. And okay, let's do this first. Let's run it. And to be able to give appropriate names for group, we need to go back to code book for class on race. So we can assign proper categories. Okay, let's see. Code book for dataset. And let's just copy paste it. Oops. Okay, what's next? Oops. What's next? Oops.
I don't recall them being for in the data, like, what's there for.
Okay, let's see. But we can check it right here. So let's see. 1, 2, 3, and 5. Yeah, you're right. So we do this one. And we need quotation marks, right? So it should be 1, right? 15, 7, and 79. Do you understand what I'm doing? Who doesn't understand? And we run the code. Argument 5 is empty. I guess 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, I screwed up somewhere. Let's see. Maybe here. Let's try. Yep. You see? I just put an extra comma and it didn't work. So when you code, you have to be really like careful about what you are doing. Okay, let's see what's next. Run frequency distribution on race. We did that. Create data set for race to do pie chart. create a pie chart, use different colors, do appropriate labels. Okay, I don't remember the code for pie chart, so again, I'm going to this file, working in RMD. Okay. Pie chart on race. Race distribution. Okay, so we have 1, 2, 3, 4 categories, right? So I guess we need one more. Now let's see. Okay, let's do aquamarine. Ah, what the hell?
I think if you just click it, it'll stop it.
Yeah, R wants me to commit suicide in this classroom. Okay,
If you highlight it and just hold it there and press Command C, it should still copy it.
okay, let's see. Okay, something is not right here. Let's see. Ah, okay. You see, an extra quotation mark produced error. So when you do this, like you have to be really careful about what you are doing. Okay, let's see if it works. Run. Yeah, and we have, yeah, and it's like really small. So let's play around with radius. Let's see if it, I am recording the screen, so I will post a video later. Oh, okay. That doesn't look right. So let's try, I don't know, this thing. Oh, okay, let's do this. Okay, good enough. And again, export, save as PDF, pie chart on race. Save it. Okay, let's see what's next. Create a 3D pie chart on race, making appropriate labels. Again, I'm old, I don't remember code for 3D pie chart, so Kostiaev working in RMD. In lines 88, 89, we have code for 3D pie chart. And since we already run it, we don't need to install it, right? It's already in your studio. So what we need to do here, race distribution. And we need to add one color. Again, whenever code is too long, you can just like put cursor somewhere and click enter. Just not in random places. You can do it like between arguments in your code. So if there is a comma, it means that there is an argument, different argument. Then you can like make your code vertical so it fits on your screen. Let's again annotate every single line of your code. Creating 3D pie chart on race. Run it. And here it is. 3D pie chart on race. And again, export, save as PDF. 3D pie chart on race. And we save it. No, it's on party. Yeah, here it is in the folder for where I have all this stuff for this class. Okay, let's see what's next. Create bar plot on race. So again, I don't remember the code. So Kostiaev working in RMD. Lines 96, like 97, 98 bar plot. Bar plot on race. Race distribution, and we add one color. We run it. Here it is. Bar plot on race. And again, export, save as PDF. Bar plot on race. We save it. And here it is in the folder. Let's see what's next. Run appropriate statistic t-test or correlation to see if there is a statistically significant relation between number of people in a home and age. So what kind of statistics we should run? Why? Yep. And I think I do remember code for correlation. Running. Is it to R or to L? I don't remember. Okay. So core test. And number of people in a home and age. So oops. Age, comma. Okay, number of people. Okay, so in line 67, we run correlation. And how we interpret the p-value. Yep. Yeah, like in any level, even 90. because it's 0.2. If it was 0.1, it would be statistically significant at 90%. But it's 0.2, so that's it. So you write up the results and you say it is not statistically significant. And if it's not statistically significant, it means that no need to say if it's positive or negative, because it's not statistically significant. You only interpret stuff which is statistically significant, at least at 90% level. If it's not statistically significant, you do not interpret it. You actually could say that it's negative, but again, since it's not statistically significant, we do not interpret it. Okay, let me pause.
For the